We released the extension for the script organizer, and it's for the Gutenberg blocks, and it's powered by the ACF. So to install it, we upload it to the WordPress folder, and you need to activate it. And also you need to activate the scripts organizer first, and then the add-on, because if you activate this one first, you will get the notification that this one needs to be activated. After that, you need to paste the license. The first tab is for the scripts organizer. Let's go back to the licenses. And the second one is for the extension. We need to regenerate the files, and that's for the script organizer, but that's just because we are having the blank installation. Okay, let's create first ACF or the Gutenberg block. So press the ACF blocks, add new. Let's call it theme. Let's start with this basic structure. And for the dash icons, we are using the WordPress dash icons. So if you press this link, it's going to take you to the WordPress. And let's find something for the theme. We can use the group. And we need to paste everything after the dash icons slash. So in this case, this is a groups. Copy, paste. For the select category, that's the Gutenberg blocks category. And let's just go to the pages. And if you press browse all, here you can see the text, media, design, widgets, theme, and embeds. And you have all of them in the list as well. And in the future releases, we are going to add the option to add your own sections as well. And for the keywords, let's do couple of them. So it's theme, Osama, Milan, and Josh. They are part of our theme. And if you have multiple, you need to have them comma separated. For the scripts and styles, we are going to cover this a little later. And you can also add a description if you want as well. So let's publish our first Gutenberg block. After we published our first Gutenberg block, you want to edit it as well. Let's just reload this page, and you can see right away here it's a theme. You can type theme, you can type Osama, Josh. Since we added those keywords, you can find it based on the keywords as well. So let's choose this one, and you can see right away that it's written theme. So let's update it, our theme. Let's update this one and reload. It's written our theme. Perfect. Okay, so how to make this one editable? So since we are using the ACF, sorry, we need to go to the plugins and activate custom fields. Perfect. Let's call it the Gutenberg blocks, and then you need to choose block, and you can choose all, or you can specify it to be just for the theme. Publish, and let's add title, and we can have just as a plain text. Just update. And just a note, there is a really good Chrome extension. So if we open it in Chrome, you can see that you can copy code right away. And this is awesome because what we can do now is open a block, we are going to update. So if we reload this one, add theme, it's a blank because we didn't set any defaults. You can add that one. Let's update, reload. You can see the theme block title, same as we set the predefined default value, or you can press the switch to edit, and let's theme. Perfect. You can go back to view and you can see now it's dynamic and it's reusable, so we can just duplicate, update, and you see it's working. Okay, but we wrote it's a theme and we mentioned it's Joshua, Osama and Milan, but to do that and to be reusable, because maybe in the future you want to have more team members, so then we definitely need to use a repeater. So let's delete this one. Let's call this theme. Let's choose repeater, or maybe even better to open this one in Chrome. So we can use code snippet and we don't need to write code at all. So theme, this one is a repeater, and inside we can have a title, it's text, maybe function, it's also a text, and then we need to have the theme image or thumbnail, theme thumb. Perfect. And this one is an image. We're going to use the image URL, and we can show only uploaded to the post, or we can show. Perfect. So update, and then we get a copy code with subfields. Let's go here. Let's clean up this one. Perfect. So we can wrap everything div class, and we can call it theme card. Let's close the div. And maybe we want to have the image on top, and then this one can be h2. and this one can be just a paragraph. Perfect. Let's see. Let's update. Add row. Let's update. Okay, perfect. Dev, and we said support. Perfect. So I actually reload without the saving. So what we see here is we're having the URL, we have the title, and we have the function. So let's okay. Update. Yeah. You probably noticed that, but couldn't scream. Yeah, here it is. So we have the Osama, title, function, Joshua, image, title, function, and Milan as well. And we actually don't need this one. Yeah. Perfect. So how to style it now? Let's open a preview to see what we are doing. We're going to move this one here, and then we need a code block because we are not doing the styling here. We are going to do a code block because then we can reuse the styles. So let's do this. Theme block style. We need a header, and we can use the CSS or SCSS, create a file. And then let's see, we have the theme card and maybe theme wrap. Sorry. Div class theme wrap. Perfect, because we want to make it as a grid, and then inside we have theme card. Let's prepare, and then we have the image, and we have h2 as title, and for the function we are having just a paragraph. Perfect. For the theme, we are going to theme wrap. We are going to use display grid, and then we want to have 3 in row. Okay, so let's reload it. Sorry, publish. Okay, the images are huge, so max width probably 100%. Yeah, we need to add some gap. Pixel. Sorry, we can use the preview option as well. I totally forgot about that one. So yeah, let's do it like this. Here we can use color green. And for the function, we can use background color perfect. So this is not the best design, but you are getting the point. But now let's go to the edit page, and if we reload, we still don't see any styling inside the Gutenberg. So what we need to do is we need to go to the scripts and styles, update, and we need to call the theme block style. So theme block style, and you can see it's a header and SCSS. And why are you seeing these headers SCSS? Because if you have, for example, the footer and you have some JS here, you need to add it twice, because if you reuse the styling for another one, you can only call the CSS, because you maybe not need the JS file. And let's do example of this one as well. So perfect. And yeah, you can see right away inside the editor. But now let's move to the reusing. So if we copy this one, add new one, it's theme 2, and let's theme 2, and this is like vertical. It's also group, it's also under the design. Let's call it in vertical. And we also want this one as well. But what we also want, let's publish it. Theme vertical. Sorry, let's, yeah, I know what the problem is, and that's under the custom fields. We need to apply it to theme vertical, so we get the ACF fields there as well. We don't need this one anymore. We are done with that one. Let's reload. Theme vertical, edit, yeah. Let's just keep it the same. Update. Let's preview, and as you can see, now they are the same because nothing changed inside the style. But we can overwrite this one. We can close this one as well, and if we reload it, just a second to see what's happening. Okay, if you open the Gutenberg blocks, vertical, it's called the vertical. Let's then just open Chrome and we can inspect. Okay. Now this is Team Wrap, Display Flex. Okay, and okay, now I see what the problem is. We forgot to add direction column. We actually don't need important. And then for this one, inside the card, we can add something like this. Just to demonstrate. Maybe this was not the best example, but you can see right away what is the difference by reusing the styles. So we can have the same styles, and then you can choose if you want to have it like grid or vertical, and have everything inside one, so you don't need to write it multiple times. I hope you see how much time it's going to save you. Also for the clients, you can just prepare them the templates, and they can start adding the templates without need to mess with any of the styles. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy what we're introducing.